Hello, my name is Aziza Darling, and I am here to show you how to purchase music online through a well-known publisher. I'm on HalLeonard.com. They are the world's largest music print publisher, and there will be everything that you are looking for in this website. So we're going to start here. Tonight I'm going to search for How Far I'll Go, the well-known Moana song. Type that into my search bar and hit go. And here I have a bunch of different options. Now I'm looking for something that is a piano vocal series, a soft cover because hard covers are too hard to turn pages on a piano. But I'm also looking for something that is not easy piano. The reason being is this is for a vocal student and I play piano, so I don't need something that's easy piano. You can differentiate between the two by taking a closer look. Now here you'll see the first page, and we have guitar tabs, and we also have 3 lines of music. We have the grand staff, which is these 2 bottom ones, as well as the melody. Anything that is more advanced is going to have at least 3 lines of music, so that's very important. Now, what an easy piano looks like is over here. You can see Series Easy Piano Soft Cover. Take a closer look. And here you'll see only 2 lines of music. So you'll see that there's a big difference between the two. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to choose the first one because $3.99 is a fair price to pay for one song. And I'm going to click on this little cart button. Okay? Then up here, I'm going to go to my shopping cart. And Hal Leonard does not choose their own shipping. You have to choose either from a music retailer, which is your local shop, or from an internet retailer. Now I'm going to choose internet retailer because all of the music shops are too far from me right now and I want the music as soon as possible. So I'm going to go in here, and here's a list of a bunch of different people, companies who sell this sheet music. I'm going to choose sheetmusicplus.com because I have used them before and have found that they are a legit website. I'm going to click on that. Now, don't be afraid to use any of them because they're all legit websites. That's why it's so important to go through someone like HalLeonard.com because they are reliable. Now, for some reason, this has quantity of 2 and I only need 1, so I'm going to update that. And now I am completely ready to check out. So this is a really easy way for you to find music online if you are not near a music shop, or if the music shop that you are near doesn't have what you need. This is a great alternative. So when you're ready to buy your music, go ahead and check out as a guest, or you can register with the website of your choice. I hope this was helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful day.